Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mohamed talking about the positions of the letter Fa. Fa. Fak. Mafkook. Latif. Khawf. Here you can see that it's written in the beginning just like that, in the middle, connected from both sides. Here it's also connected from both sides. At the end it could be connected and not connected. When it's connected it's written like that. When it's not connected it's written like that. Far, mifak, mafkook, latifun, khawfun. Again, it could be connected in the beginning, in the middle. At the end, it could be connected and not connected from both sides in the middle. That's it for Fa letter. See you in the next episode.